Hey everyone! Want to download a YouTube playlist on your PC or laptop? Let me show you how. But heads up, you'll need YouTube Premium for this. Alright, so first open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. Now search for whatever playlist you want to download. Let's say you're looking for a web development course or music playlist. Type it in the search bar. Once you get the results, click Filters at the top and select Playlist. This shows you only playlists instead of individual videos. Find the playlist you want and click on it. Then click View Full Playlist to see all the videos in it. Here's the important part. On the left side, you'll see options for Share and Download. Click Download. Now, if you have YouTube Premium, the playlist will start downloading to your device. You can watch it offline anytime after that. But if you don't have YouTube Premium, that download button won't work. YouTube only lets premium subscribers download videos for offline viewing. If you don't have Premium, your options are pretty limited. You'd either need to subscribe to YouTube Premium, which costs around $12 a month, or use third-party downloader software, though that violates YouTube's terms of service. The official, legal way is definitely YouTube Premium. With it, you can download entire playlists and watch them offline whenever you want. And that's it. That's how you download YouTube playlists on your PC if you've got YouTube Premium.